Hello designers, here is how to make a perfect grid in Adobe Illustrator. So this is how most people do it. So here is the correct guide for your convenience. Firstly, open your design panel in Adobe Illustrator. Secondly, press M for a square and adjust it to the size of the page. Step 3 is to go to Properties and align it to the page. Now step 4 is to go to Object and then Path, then click Split into Grid. Now add in your desired settings and you're done. To change its color, just select it as a whole and select the color you want. Subscribe to my YouTube and follow me on my Instagram for more useful videos. Thanks for watching.